Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make simple text animation and After Effects. Creating simple text animations and Adobe After Effects can add a professional touch to your videos, presentations, or digital content. Now, at the Tools panel, choose the Text tool or just press the T key on your keyboard. Click anywhere in the Composition panel and type your desired text. For example, text. A new text layer will be automatically created in the Timeline panel. Choose the Selection tool or just press V on your keyboard and click on the text layer to adjust its position. Click on the triangle icon next to the text layer to expand its properties. Click on the Transform drop-down to reveal the transform properties like anchor point, position, the scale, rotation, and opacity. Now, move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline. Click on the stopwatch icon next to the opacity to create a keyframe at 0 opacity. Then move the playhead to 8F. Change the opacity value to 100%. After Effects will automatically create a new keyframe, animating the fade-in effect. Now, let's create a simple slide-in animation. Move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline. Click on the stopwatch icon next to the position to set the initial position keyframe. Move the text layer of the screen to the left by adjusting the position values. Move the playhead to 4F. Then move the text layer back onto the screen to its final position. After Effects will create a new keyframe, animating the slide-in effect. Now, let's create a scale. Move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline. Click on the stopwatch icon next to the scale and rotation to set initial keyframes. Set the scale to 0% and rotation to -45 degrees. Now, let's animate the scale and rotation. Move the playhead to 4F. Change scale to 100% and rotation to 0. After Effects will create new keyframes for both properties. Now select all keyframes for a particular property, such as opacity or position. Right-click on the selected keyframes. Right-click on one of the keyframe assistant and choose Easy Ease. This adds a natural acceleration and acceleration to the animation. And here is the combined animation using keyframes, so I click on the spacebar to play back. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.